Have you ever stopped to think about how fragile, yet incredibly resilient the human body truly is? Every day, without us even noticing, it fights silent battles against threats we can't see. Some of these threats are mild and pass without leaving a trace. Others can change lives in an instant. And the truth is, many of the most common diseases affecting people around the world are not mysteries anymore. We understand them. We know how they work, and in many cases, we know how to treat them. But knowledge only protects those who have it. Today, we're stepping into a journey that could quite literally change how you see your health, your habits, and maybe even your future. This is not about fear. This is about awareness, clarity, and empowerment. Because when you understand what your body might face, you're already one step ahead. One of the most widely known conditions today is heart disease. It often builds quietly over time, shaped by lifestyle, diet, stress, and genetics. Many people don't notice it until something serious happens. The heart, which works tirelessly from the moment we are born, can become strained when arteries narrow or become blocked. The encouraging part is that treatment and prevention have advanced significantly. Doctors often recommend lifestyle changes first, like improving diet, increasing physical activity, and managing stress levels. In many cases, medications help control blood pressure or cholesterol. For more severe conditions, medical procedures can restore blood flow and improve heart function. What's powerful here is that small, consistent changes in daily habits can dramatically reduce risk. Then there's diabetes, a condition that affects how the body processes sugar. It can develop slowly, often without obvious symptoms in the beginning. Over time, however, it can impact energy levels, vision, and even organ function if left unmanaged. Treatment depends on the type, but it often involves monitoring blood sugar, making dietary adjustments, and sometimes using medication or insulin therapy. What stands out about diabetes care today is how personalized it has become. With the right guidance and consistency, many people live full, active lives while managing this condition effectively. Now, let's talk about something that many people experience but often overlook: respiratory illnesses. Conditions like asthma or chronic lung diseases can affect breathing, something we usually take for granted. Imagine the simple act of taking a deep breath becoming difficult. Treatment here focuses on improving airflow and reducing inflammation. Inhalers, medications, and avoiding environmental triggers all play a role. What's important is recognizing symptoms early. A persistent cough, shortness of breath, or wheezing should never be ignored. Early care can make a significant difference in quality of life. As we move forward, there's another condition that has touched nearly every corner of the world in recent years: viral infections. These can range from mild to severe, and their impact can vary widely depending on the individual. Treatment often focuses on supporting the body while it fights the infection. Rest, hydration, and in some cases, antiviral medications are key. Prevention, however, is just as important. Hygiene, awareness, and timely medical advice play a crucial role in limiting spread and severity. But here's something that might surprise you. Not all serious diseases show up with dramatic symptoms. Some of the most dangerous ones develop quietly, almost invisibly. Take high blood pressure, for example. It's often called a silent condition because many people don't feel anything unusual, even when levels are elevated. Over time, though, it can put strain on the heart, blood vessels, and other organs. Treatment usually involves a combination of lifestyle changes and medication. Reducing salt intake, staying active, and managing stress are all essential. Regular checkups are equally important because this is not something you can always feel. It's something you have to monitor. Now, let's pause for a moment, because what comes next is something that shifts the entire perspective. Up to this point, we've been talking about diseases that affect the body in visible, measurable ways. But what about the ones that affect how we think, feel, and experience the world? Mental health conditions are just as real, just as impactful, and just as deserving of attention and care. Conditions like depression and anxiety can affect anyone. They don't always have a clear cause, and they don't always look the same from one person to another. Sometimes they're hidden behind smiles, routines, and everyday life. Treatment often involves therapy, lifestyle changes, and in some cases, medication. What's encouraging is that awareness around mental health has grown significantly. People are beginning to understand that seeking help is not a sign of weakness, but a step toward healing. And this brings us to a powerful realization. Health is not just physical. It's deeply connected to emotional and mental well-being. Ignoring one aspect can affect the others in ways we might not expect. Now, let's shift our focus again. There are conditions that challenge the body at a deeper level, affecting cells and how they grow. Cancer is one of them. It's a word that carries weight, often associated with fear and uncertainty. But it's important to approach it with clarity and facts. Cancer is not a single disease. It includes many types, each with its own characteristics and treatments. Advances in medical science have led to more targeted therapies, early detection methods, and improved survival rates in many cases. Treatment can involve surgery, medication, radiation, or a combination of approaches. Early detection plays a critical role, which is why regular screenings and awareness of changes in the body are so important. And yet, even with all this knowledge, there's something deeply human about how we respond to illness. We adapt. We learn. We find ways to move forward. Another condition worth understanding is infectious disease spread through bacteria. These infections can affect different parts of the body, from the skin to internal organs. In many cases, they are treatable with antibiotics, but responsible use of medication is crucial. Overuse or misuse can reduce effectiveness over time. This highlights an important point. Treatment is not just about having the right medicine, it's about using it correctly, at the right time, and with proper guidance. Now, let's talk about something that connects many of these conditions: lifestyle. The way we eat, move, sleep, and manage stress has a profound impact on overall health. While not all diseases can be prevented, many risks can be reduced through consistent, mindful habits. Balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, and quality rest are not just recommendations, they are foundations of long-term well-being. But life is not always predictable. There are conditions that arise suddenly, without warning. Stroke is one example. It occurs when blood flow to the brain is disrupted, and it requires immediate attention. Treatment depends on how quickly care is received. Recognizing symptoms early can make a life-changing difference. Sudden weakness, difficulty speaking, or loss of coordination are signs that should never be ignored. This brings us to another important idea. Time matters. In many medical situations, early action can significantly improve outcomes. Knowing when to seek help is just as important as knowing what to look for. As we continue, there's a deeper layer to all of this. Behind every disease, every diagnosis, and every treatment, there is a human story. A person navigating uncertainty, making decisions, and holding on to hope. And that's where awareness becomes more than just information. It becomes a tool for compassion. Understanding diseases doesn't just help us protect ourselves. It helps us support others, communicate better, and approach health with empathy rather than fear. Now, let's bring everything together. From heart conditions to mental health, from infections to chronic illnesses, the common thread is knowledge. When we understand what's happening inside the body, we can respond with clarity instead of confusion. We don't have to wait for symptoms to take control of our lives. We can be proactive, we can stay informed, and we can make choices that support long-term health. But here's the final thought I want to leave you with. Your health is not defined by a diagnosis. It's shaped by how you respond to it. Every step you take toward understanding, every small habit you improve, every moment you choose awareness over ignorance, it all adds up. And sometimes those small steps become the reason everything changes. So if this journey opened your eyes, even just a little, take a moment to reflect on what stood out to you the most. And if you found value in this, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who might need to hear it. Go ahead and like the video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more content that informs and empowers, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Your perspective matters, and your voice could help someone else see things differently. Because in the end, awareness is not just knowledge, it's protection.